In this video, you will see how to buy ChatGPT Plus from India. It's very easy. First, just go to the chatgpt.com and then sign up using your email address. After signing up, just click on login and then use Google to log in into the ChatGPT. After logging in to the ChatGPT, you will have two options. You will see here the option of upgrade, and here also you will see the option of upgrade your plan. You can click on any one of the option. After clicking, you will see here the option of plus. So this is Chat GPT Plus and its price is 20 US dollars, which uses Chat GPT 5 with advanced reasoning. You just have to click on the Get Plus icon and you will see this payment page. Note that ChatGPT Plus subscription price is 20 US dollars, but because of the 5% VAT, $1 will be added to the total bill. So the total amount will be 21 US dollars. You just have to enter here the payment method. So you will need the card that has Visa, Master or other cards. Just enter the details here properly and the bill under the billing address select India. You can choose the appropriate options available here. Then just click on here and then click on subscribe to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus in India. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn ChatGPT quickly. See you again in the next one.